Lists are a common type of HTML element that we can use on our pages, and there are two types of lists: ordered lists and unordered lists. Ordered lists are generally numbered starting at 1, and unordered lists have a bullet next to them, noting that the order of the list doesn't really matter, hence an unordered list. Let's take a look at how to write both of them. And let's start with unordered lists. Those are generally more common online. So we're going to start by writing our less than and then UL for unordered list. You could see that my close unordered list tag was added automatically. And then I'm going to start a new line and press the tab key. When we embed HTML elements within other HTML elements, something called nesting, it's common to indent them so that the general block of HTML is easier to read. So let's just make a simple shopping list here. I'll write LI for the list item, and then I'll write apple, banana, orange, and grapes. So now if we save this and view it in our browser, we'll see a simple list with bullets to the left of each item. An ordered list generally denotes something where the order does matter. So you can imagine we might want to create a ordered list of steps that we would need to take to make, let's say, scrambled eggs. So I will start an ordered list with our less than sign and then OL for ordered list, and then I'll use the greater than sign to close that. My closing OL tag has been added, and the list item tag is going to be the same. UL or OL is what controls both the semantics of the element, telling the browser that this is unordered or ordered, as well as the display in the browser. So I'll add a list item, and I'll say get 2 eggs. Then I'll add another list item, crack in bowl. The next list item, whisk eggs. Add in milk and whisk more. Cook in pan for 5 minutes on medium. Those of you who actually know how to cook are probably shaking your head, but that's okay. I will save this now, and then I will open this page up in the browser, and you could see that numbers have automatically been added to our ordered list. So we didn't have to write the numbers. The nature of the ordered list is that they get added automatically, so people following these steps will know what to do first and then what to do fifth.